Hello to my crafty creators. Today I'm coming to you to do a tray, and I've got to go fast. I'm not going to take up your time. This one is going to be a rainbow tray. I'm using all of Let's Resin um, alcohol inks, the red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the sapphire blue, and purple. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I don't know which way or how I want to lay this out, but I guess anyway is just as good because they're all going to end up meeting each other, I suppose. So, wait a minute. I think I want to do it like find out how much of a space that I need. 6, 2, 6. So 1, 2, 3. So maybe all of there. Okay. So y'all know that this is just something that I'm trying. I don't know how it's gonna work, but we're gonna do it, and I'm going too slow. Purple. About to make a mess. I am making a mess already. Get this blue again. Well, this purple is not in this corner. Maybe if I pour some more blue. Okay. Make that go over a little bit. Let's pour some more green. Definitely got to get some more yellow right there. Make it go over some. Get some more orange right here. Just gonna make the orange come over a little bit. And I'll add some more red to make it push on over. My hand just shaking. Ooh. That's all the red. Okay. So we're gonna find out what this turns out to be like. Trying to just make sure it's filled. Some more of this green here. So yellow started cutting it off. I think that's about all it can hold. All right. I done it. I did it with a bunch of mess, but it's okay. Seems like it's one to run over too. Did I test this out before trying it? No. Somebody asked me about doing one for them, and I said, well, okay, I could try it. I could try anything. Okay, that's my bubbles. And I will be back when it's time to demold. Hello, Crafty Creators. I am back with all of my mess from last night, but I am here to demold. So we're gonna check it all out and see how well it done. Oh, it's nice so far. Okay, I won't complain. So there it is, a nice rainbow tray. And now what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna end up putting some foil there to make a name. So I'll be back. I am back, Crafty Creators. Now all I have to do, I'm personalizing this tray with the initials right here. So I took my gloves off real quick so that I can put this on, and as soon as I put that on, I'll go ahead and do the top layer, the top coat for this tray. Okay, so here we go. And I've already had it cut to where I wanted it. So that's where I want it. I'm just pressing down really good on it. I think a few videos ago, I put the letter B in a tray. Matter of fact, it was for my 50th subscriber, and you remember I had that little like it was a little a bubble, I suppose. Give me 1 second. Let me get my gloves and my mask. Okay, now I did not being that I didn't do this with you all, I didn't bother about showing you all about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my my little clear coat on top of this real quick. It was already I had my resin and everything ready for y'all this time. So I'm pretty glad I got that part done. Now, the last time I used this tray, you remember it was around Valentine's Day. So it was hard for me to get every single piece of foil out. So I did the best I could, and here we go. And I really just want a very thin layer, but I do want to make sure that it is coated really good. Okay, you always, although, you know, sometimes you don't even need to add this extra coat, but I like to add it on, especially if it's going to be personalized. But it just gives it a better overall shine once again. So that's a good little tip. Just sometimes if you have the time and if you have the product, I'd say, you know, just give it a very thin coat and you'll be just fine. It looks a lot better when you have that extra coat. See, I'm trying to just really make all of this stretch out and work, because I don't want it to be too thick. I just want a very thin as I can get it. And this will not be hard to do because I have enough. So this extra resin, I'll just use it for a another project. You know, I was on the last video, I think it was, I made the coasters and the coaster holder, and so I want to finish that set up. I've got 3 coasters for each one of them, so I need to do 2 more for one and 1 more for the other. You may say, how in the world is that? But for some reason, the round one, it only takes 4, and the square one, it appears as if it's gonna take 5 or 6. Okay, so now that I have that done, when I finish with when I demold it tomorrow morning, I will show you guys. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I don't mind answering questions. I just want to make sure I don't rub any elbows, you know. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I love reading comments. I take constructive criticism very well. And I do listen and pay attention to every little detail that someone tells me. Because I am a humble person. I'm a very humble person. Just sometimes you can rub somebody the wrong way, and that's what happens. That incident, what I was talking about on the last video, I bet you couldn't guess how long ago that's been. I bet you couldn't. It's been probably around 4 months. 4 months. So I'd say again, yeah, I'm very humble. Well, let me see. Let me make sure. November, December, January, February. Yeah, 4 months. So I tend to hold things in for a long time before I even say anything about it. So I guess on the last video, it was time. But I do apologize. I really do. From the bottom of my heart. Because I love my people. I love all my subscribers. Y'all are what's making me relevant. You know what I mean? It's because of each and every one of you that are making me relevant. So, that'll be it for now. And I will show you the finishing results. I'm back, guys. This is the finishing result. It looks nice. It looks really nice. I like it. I know she'll like it as well. And, you know, I didn't do this with you all, but thought I'd just show you anyway. Or this. I didn't do this with you all, but it's cute. So if you would just like, share, comment, subscribe, and if you have any ideas you'd like for me to do, I will. But until next time, see you later, my crafty creators.